DSers versus Zendrop. Which one should you use in 2025? If you're dropshipping with Shopify, you have probably come across both Desers and Zendrop. But they serve different kinds of sellers. Desers is built for AliExpress automation. It connects directly with AliExpress, supports bulk order processing, and has powerful product mapping. It's ideal if you want low product cost and don't mind dealing with AliExpress suppliers. Plus, it's free to start, perfect for beginners. Zendrop, on the other hand, focuses on faster shipping and private label products. It's a US based platform with warehouses in the US and China. Shipping is faster than AliExpress and customer support is better, but it's a paid service and product prices are usually higher. In 2025, Zendrop added more branding options like custom packaging and upsell tools, great for scaling a brand. These are stays more utility focused, ideal for testing a lot of products quickly. So if you're just starting or testing products, Deezers is the better pick. If you're scaling and want a branding, Zendrop might be worth the cost. Hope this clears it up. Like and subscribe if this helped. And check out my next video where I compare actual profit margins from both platforms side by side.